Looking for the best dollies? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 dollies on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, WelCom Magna Cart 150 pound capacity. Lightweight and portable. Won't rust. Telescopic handle. A personal, rather than industrial, hand truck that performs well when not overloaded. Fragile handles. Rare incidents of folding mechanism breakage and problems with wheels have been noted. At number 2. Harper trucks, nylon 400 pound capacity. Lightweight nylon frame. Can be used vertically or as a load platform. Hefty weight limit. Comes with stair climbers. A versatile, affordably priced dolly. The best value on the market. Assembly required. Occasional incidents of missing parts and caster breakages. At number 1. Vergo, industrial folding. High quality, heavy duty dolly. Folds for easy portability. Aluminium and plastic construction, weighs just 10 pounds, and it won't rust. Sturdy, easy to use, and portable. The best hand truck on the market today. Relatively more expensive, but you are paying for quality and durability. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.